I think it's time to harvest my potatoes. After doing a little bit of research, I realized that the potatoes that I bought were not the type that were going to give me more potatoes the further I filled it up. So I filled up this bucket as it grew, expecting to get more potatoes, and I'm not going to get more potatoes. I'm just going to get what is on the bottom, but that's okay. It's a lesson that I learned through gardening, and I'll know better next year. So I'll either get the kind that I expected I got this time, or I will be more aware of how they're growing and save me some soil. I might have waited a little bit too long to go ahead and harvest these potatoes, but I honestly didn't expect them to die back and look the way that they did. I expected the tops to start crinkling first. So I wasn't aware that they were ready to go. So that's my bad. Let's get started. All right, bucket number 1. That's a good one. Pretty good. Good size. I think that's it in this one. That's one plant. Not bad for one plant. Planted 3 different types of potatoes, a red, a golden, and then a harvest blend, which has a bunch of them in there together. We're supposed to. That's what this one is the harvest blend. I like those purple ones, those are pretty. Here is my final bucket. I got some pretty good sized ones, as you can see, and then I got some just little like bite-sized ones, I guess. I didn't save any of the ones that were like pea size. I didn't figure that those were really worth it. I did 3 different varieties, like I said. I did a red Norland, a golden rush, and a harvest blend. The Harvest Blend, I didn't get as much out as I expected to, but I think the one that I got the most out of was probably the Gold Rush one. They're a little lumpy, but you know, they're potatoes and you eat them, so you know, it doesn't really matter if they're lumpy or not. But I'm gonna have to let them set out for a couple of days and let their skin harden, and then I'll rinse them off and store them probably in a cool, dry place like the basement. But now I have my planter open again for something else to go there. So I'm kind of excited about that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put there. Probably have to do some research and see what kind of plants will live and thrive through summer. So if you guys have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them in the box down below, in the comment box down below. And I am going to go on and get these potatoes inside and rinsed off. And I thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.